Man charged after early morning Auckland shooting. Police called to back up firefighters at Auckland House by a powerful 7.6 earthquake in Japan. Asamaria, I'm Mali Ning, and these are the latest in New Zealand headlines. Police have charged a 20-year-old man after another man was rushed to hospital in a critical condition following an early morning shooting in the Auckland suburb of Papakura. A 20-year-old man was arrested on Sunday and will appear in Papakura District Court on Monday, charged with winning with intent to cause bodily harm. Detective Senior Sergeant Simon Taylor said, "Let's go live now to our emergency correspondent, Peyton Smith." Good morning to you, Peyton. What do you know? Peyton Smith. Thank you. Police have been called in to back up firefighters in an Auckland house fire. Fire emergency said it was alerted by multiple calls at about 1:25 p.m. to the fire on Paul Hare Street in Newland. Let's go live now to Peyton Smith. Hi Peyton, police say they are there to assist fire emergency but have not said why. So Peyton, what is the latest? Are there any other developments? Okay, Peyton Smith, thank you very much. Firefighters will remain overnight at the scene of a blaze that burned through 322 hectares of pine vegetation in the Tongariro National Park. Another update is expected at about 7 a.m. today. Let's go live now to Peyton. Good morning to you, Peyton. What do we know this morning? So Peyton, what is the latest that we know? Okay, Peyton Smith, thank you very much. Dozens of firefighters battled a ghost fire near the Waimakariri River in North Canterbury on Monday. The fire in Iowa was a flare-up from a scrub fire on Sunday. About 3 firefighters and 2 helicopters were called to the scene at about 5:10 a.m. on Monday. Fire emergency said the blaze has been contained and 9 fire trucks remain. In some breaking news now, a powerful magnitude 7.6 earthquake shook Japan's northeast region, prompting tsunami warnings and orders for residents to evacuate. The earthquake struck at 11:15 p.m. local time on Monday, 3:15 here in New Zealand. Tsunami warnings were issued for Hokkaido, Omari and Iwata, and tsunamis from 20 to 50 centimeters high were observed at several ports. GMA said the earthquake was at a depth of 50 kilometers. And those are the latest in New Zealand headlines. For more stories and to stay up to date with this powerful Japan earthquake, head to nnews.co.nz. Kia pai tō rā.